Rajita, you also said something that I found very interesting. You said when you are asked to give advice, you always tell, especially women, that don't bring your gender into it. Don't say to yourself, I can do this or I can't do this
Because I'm a woman.
because I'm a woman. Tell me more about that.
You know, this is, I mean, when you put it like that, it sounds like, kya socha hai? But it genuinely, you know where this comes from. So I'm the only child, okay? And I've grown up very close to my parents. Like at this point, we're roommates, like it's that. I got engaged and I know that I will be getting married and I'm excited, but also I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to go live with a boy and I won't be able to live with these two anymore, and that's breaking my heart. Like that's how close I am to my parents. They're my closest friends, and I don't say this to sound like
Sure.
but so ना बचपन से ही growing up ना ये कभी conversation ही नहीं था घर पे कि because the one thing was कि okay, I want to be this today, I want to be that today, this I want to do, that I want to do this sport, I want to play that, I want to do, I want to join these classes, that this was constant. So there was never a conversation in my house about how I can or cannot do something because I'm a girl, or how I can or cannot wear something because I'm a girl, how I can or cannot say something because I'm a girl. So I didn't think about it much. Then when I went on to my team, the team that I have right now is the team that I started with almost 9 years ago. And it was exactly that in that circle. There are 4 people who are closest to me, and the conversations never kind of ever reached a point where my gender was a point of discussion. So it took me also a very long time to get to this answer, because every time I was asked, so how does it feel to be a female content creator? I didn't have an answer because I never got up and thought that I am going to be a female content creator today, or I'm going to be a female actor today. Like I never had that conditioning, and I understand the privilege that I come from when I say that my parents had such a huge role in kind of carving that safe space for me to even have the guts to not think about my gender when I'm doing anything. So that is where it comes from. It really doesn't come, I realized it much later in life. I think I was about 27 when I realized, okay, maybe that is why. And that kind of helps us simplify things. And then I started paying attention to how we think as women. And I started realizing that a lot of times after this thought came to me, I used to put that filter on myself before anyone else could do it for me, expecting that it will be put for me when I put myself out there. And that's when I realized that maybe I shouldn't do that. You know, because till 26, 27 तो मैं भी मजे में ही सब कुछ चल रहा था ना, कुछ था ही नहीं. I just started acting. I was 26 when I went on set for the first time as Dimple. तब तक तो it was that, like she said, it was that bubble. It was my team, me, my house, my camera, my laptop. इसके आगे तो कुछ था ही नहीं. And उसके आगे सोचते भी नहीं थे, because I used to always feel like किसी को समझ ही नहीं आएगा मैं क्या करती हूँ. You know, how do I discuss this with anyone? Nobody will know what I'm. So I always kept it to myself till I actually stepped out and I saw these actors and I saw this world and I started living this twin life which was so different from anything, and it makes you want to question things. It makes you want to sit down and kind of think a little bit more about some things more than other, and that's when I realized that.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nice.
Yeah.